Hi, so today is 9th of August, Monday, and we are going to do a quick market analysis after 8:40, around about 8:35, 8:40 a.m. in the morning. So from a run perspective, we can see that a few of the companies, just like PVR, यहाँ पे 1400 के आसपास है, and PEL is at all-time high, and together with that you have Cummins India, which is also at all-time high. So basically these two counters, and it seems like there is more strength in these counters. Going forward, we would be definitely be tracking these three companies. Or other than that, you have Tech Mahindra, which is sort of facing resistance at 1300 levels, and maybe this is also true for Havels. So ये दो counters में भी कुछ interesting positions बन रही हैं. Coal India also, this is something of a bearish structure. Let's see how it goes from here. Metropolis, yeah, after breakdown, there was no follow up, and it's again trying to go towards 3000, and it seems like there are more positions getting added. LTTS maybe higher levels say selling आई है, and other than that, there is Zeal is trying to reverse, but I'm pretty sure it will face some resistance around about 205 region. So right now it's below 200, and this is also true for AU बैंक में भी कुछ पोजीशंस. Alchem, it made an all-time high, हमने profit book कर लिया, and after that it's now below 3500 levels. This is also true for Lupin or Gujarat Gas. Also, we had discussed yesterday. It's a weak counter, and it seems like it's going towards the levels of 730, 720 from here. Motherson Sumi, and now we are in the lower segment. So यहाँ पे कुछ कंपनीज हैं जैसे सेल आफ्टर रिजल्ट, so it is now below 140. अगर यहाँ पे रिवर्सल नहीं आती है, so there will be more weakness in this counter. People were expecting a good result, and the result was also good according to some experts, लेकिन वो it was not as per the market likings, और इसीलिए सेल अभी डाउन है. And this is also true for Tata Power, भी अपना रिजल्ट पोस्ट की. Right now it dipped towards 131, और अभी ये 133 में ट्रेड कर रही है. So let's see. It seems like there is some buying coming in the lower levels. Let's see how it reacts at 135 levels, which is a big psychological level. No matter what, अभी फिलहाल जो situation है, I think Tata Power at 128, 125 would be a good buy, and on above I think 140 to 144 is a very good target for sell. Muthoot Finance is again giving a very good, this is very good pin structure, and I'm just waiting for Muthoot Finance to move past this opening levels of 1535, and then this can turn out to be a good trade for the regions of 1600, but we have to wait for the confirmation. BEL, this is also one of the stocks जहाँ पे it opened with a gap down, and now it is trying to move. So this is also one of the weak counters, BEL. Torrent Power also had a huge fall, and it broke this levels of 460, or abhi ye is trying to get a support round about at 450, and National Alam is also down. So from if we do a very quick sectorial analysis, so let's start with the financials. PEL is up, and other than that, in the top quadrant you have HDFC AMC, which is very near to 3000 levels. ये बहुत interesting होगी. And other than that, you have RBL Bank and all this small Axis Bank over here, and Bajaj Finserv is also trying to go towards 14400 levels, which is good. और अगर हम banking में weakness देखें, so the weakness is not in other than Muthoot Finance and Manappuram. There is not much weakness, and if we look for our Golden Bank, okay, State Bank of India is also trading around about 438. I think if the market reverses, State Bank of India should go towards 444 today or in the very short term, and 444 to 446. So this is one of the counters I am trying to have a look at, and this is something like this. So this one, it seems like there's not much short positions which are getting added, which is good. Auto is running really good today. We have Apollo Tyre, Bajaj Auto, and M&M, which is running good. And together with that, Ashok Leyland, as always, faced resistance at 135 and is now down at 130. 5 levels, and we have to see if it is able to hold the levels of 134. And Tata Motors also is trading near 300. This is in general, the Bajaj Auto was the only trade which we took. It went towards 3900 from 3800 40 levels, and ये एक level पे थी, it gave a breakout, and then today again it went for 3840 testing. We added, and then it went and gave us a good 55 rupees move. Balakrishna Industries, after the result, is down 3%, and it seems like there are more positions which are getting added on the short side. If it is, I think 2350 levels are very interesting short levels, and maybe going forward there will be more weakness and it will try to go towards 2300. So auto bhi aise kuch hai nahi. Cement is also sort of not interesting. We can see all of them are down, but none of them are trending. And now let's have a quick look at FMCG sector. So basically we have not much happening even in FMCG. So ITC is also below 216, and but still there are no is still not in trend. We took a trade in Tata Chemicals and not in Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer is also down, and this is also true. UBIL is down, so not much happening in other than Titan, which is up 1.6%. Tech Mahindra, it seems like there is more weakness and profit booking coming from high levels. Wipro is down, LTTS is down. So every structure you can see in the IT space has a upper wick, and all of them are trading near days low. This is also true for LTI, say for example, Emphasis, upper wicks, Infi upper wick and trading towards day low. So we have to see if this mark IT is going to reverse from here. From steel perspective, Jindal Steel is giving us a move. Coal India is also trying, but I think there are more short positions getting added in Coal India. We have to see if the levels of 147 are breached. And this Tata Steel is also trying to give us a good move, but there's not much. It's not in trend. Other than that, you have Vedanta, NMDC, JSW Steel together with Hindalco. National Alam, it seems like there's some buying interest, and maybe it will reverse from 87, and we have to see how it moves from here. Even SAIL is below 140, and maybe this might give us a good trade in the second half in SAIL. From pharma perspective, Pfizer is the top counter. The stock which is actually working in pharma, Sun Pharma, as usual, below 800 is facing resistance. Biocon is also stuck between 388 and 382, and Cipla tried to get some buying from lower levels, but nothing much happening other than Alchem. So I traded Alchem, and it was a trade which I was carrying since last session on Friday, and today it made an all-time high, so we were lucky to book at those regions, and I actually tweeted when I was booking out. Other than that, so that sectors or the companies which are in a lower trend or which are coming in trend is PEL, and together with that you have Cummins in Industries, which is at all-time high of 940. We have to see if it is able, and together with that the weakness, Zeal is also trying to get in trend, but I think going forward there will be more weakness, and maybe it will breach 195. Right now it's trading at 197 levels. LTTS is also sort of a weak, and there can be more weakness. Alchem also is weak after making this levels of 3590. It's still below 3500 right now. AU Bank is weak. और अगर हम नीचे क्वाड्रेंट में देखते हैं, सो कंपनीज लाइक मदरसन सुमी, मनापुरम, टाटा पावर, मुथूट फाइनेंस, सेल, डिविसलैब, गुजरात गैस लिमिटेड, दिस ये हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया था गुजरात गैस को ओवर द वीकेंड. So these are some of the weak counters, and really in trend जो जिसमें weakness है, that's idea, but this is again be stuck between 7 and 7.5 rupees. And other than that, you have Balakrishna Industries and BEL, which is trying to give us a reversal. So we have to see if it is able to take out the levels of 170. So this might actually come out to be a good trade. So I hope, and from a Nifty 50 perspective, so the top runners are IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Auto, State Bank of India, together with that Axis and Titan, M&M, Bajaj Finserv and Asian Paint. So ऊपर में कुछ अच्छी supports मिल रही हैं, especially from Bajaj Finserv and few of the auto counters like Bajaj Auto and M&M. इसमें अच्छी ICICI Bank is also trying to move past 700 and it's very 705. So in general, this banking is able to give support to Nifty, and so theoretically there is no reason of why we should be thinking about short trades as of now. और अगर हम weakness देखते हैं, so there is not much weakness. और lower quadrant में सिर्फ Reliance है, which is below 2100 levels, and yesterday हमने बोला था कि ये 2065 levels तक जाएगी, and right now it has gone towards 2071 level. But I think if you want to close your short trades, you can already do that, because this is already a good trade which we took. Other than that, weakness is there in ACL Tech, Dr. Reddy. Of course, I told I'm not going to touch it, Dr. Reddy, until and unless 5000 levels are breached. And together with that, also HDFC Life. It gave a good move in the morning, but right now it's trading near 674. So until and unless 700 comes in, there's not much I will do in this counter. So thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to give you some idea where we are standing as of 10:45 a.m. in the morning. Going forward around about at 12:30, if I am not very much busy with my trades, then I will be updating the next strategy. Else follow me. If you guys are already following me in Twitter, you will also get the counters of the stocks, which I would be monitoring for the second half of 9th of August. Thanks a lot for listening. Best of luck with your trading, and also, as always, please consult your financial advisor before making any trades or investments. Thank you.